Hey, this is Harlan Kilstein. I've been in internet marketing since about the year 2001, when it was just getting off the ground. I remember when someone told me that they made 6 figures a year in affiliate marketing. I thought they were joking. That was a long, long time ago. Now, there are people who make 6 and 7 figures a month doing affiliate marketing. Many programs have come out about affiliate marketing, promising huge windfalls. So why aren't there more millionaires? Why aren't there more people making money with affiliate marketing? Simply because the courses are too difficult for most people to understand. Until now. Andrew Fox's Affiliate Millionaire program, which I was given the opportunity to look at and go through, is a total breakthrough. It is simplicity defined. The videos are short. They show you exactly what needs to be done. It is step by step showing you how you can very rapidly launch a successful affiliate business and turn it into a stream of full-time income. Andrew Fox is one person who knows affiliate marketing. And I'm telling you, take my word for it, Affiliate Millionaire could very well be the thing you are looking for to turn your life around. A lot of people ask me to affiliate for products, and 99.9 times out of 100, I say no. But seeing Affiliate Millionaire, oh yeah, I'm going to be recommending it to people. It's incredible. Grab it while you can.